Recent insider trends for Versartis Incorporated, NASDAQ VSAR, have caught the attention of investors. Analysts study insider data to get a sense of what key shareholders think about the outlook for a particular stock. In the case of VSAR, the data has some interesting implications for where the stock might be headed. Institutions own 78.95% of Versartis Incorporated, VSAR's shares. The total value of these holdings, in millions, is $69. Among active positions in the latest quarter, 58 holders increased their positions by a total of 2.12 million shares, 47 holders decreased the positions by a total of 1.31 million shares, and 17 holders held their positions. This works out to a net increase in ownership of 812,535 shares and suggests that institutions are feeling bullish about the stock. Among new and sold-out positions, 19 holders initiated new positions by a total of 797,709 shares, and 23 holders exited their positions by a total of 684,945 shares. This nets out to an increase of 112,764 shares and is a bullish sign for VSAR. In the last 3 months, insiders executed a total of 3 trades. 1 of these were buys and 2 were sells. Insider ownership decreased by a total of 2.08 million shares, which suggests that VSAR's key executives are feeling less optimistic about the outlook for the stock. The data from the past 12 months tells a similar story. Insiders executed 27 buys and 39 sells, and ownership decreased by a net of 1.11 million shares. Comparing the number of shares sold short over time is a method analysts often use to get a reading on investor sentiment. Versartis Incorporated, NASDAQ VSAR's short interest is 1.45 million shares, or 6.72% of the float. This represents an increase of 8% in the number of shares being shorted compared to the previous reading and implies that investors felt more pessimistic about the stock during the past 2 weeks. Supplementing insider data with technical indicators can help an investor form a more complete view on the outlook for a stock. A composite of 13 technical indicators that includes measures such as moving averages and momentum oscillators suggests that VSAR is a strong sell, which implies that VSAR is expected to underperform the market based on prior trading patterns. Conclusion: institutional ownership trends suggest that the stock is cheap, and the insider trading data indicates that insiders are bearish. Technical indicators also suggest that Versartis Incorporated, NASDAQ VSAR, is overvalued.